We're at the premiere of the fantastic movie called Made in New York. I never thought I'd see this day would come, do you know what I'm saying? But I'm very, very excited. And as Ziggy scans and pans around the theatre, the lobby, you'll see how many hundreds of people showed up this evening. Punzella was a murderer, all right? She had a major part in the movie, and I was blessed to meet her during my day of filming in the Hamptons, right, where the beautiful Punzella resides. Give the viewers a twirl. Let them see your wonderful, sexy body. Do you know what I'm saying? Your beautiful hair. Do you know what I'm saying? And just let the listeners know, is this your first time acting?
Yes, my first time.
How did you feel to be having such a major role in this movie?
Just being myself. This is how I am, as you see me in the movie.
You don't look like a murderer.
Made in New York movie, me I tell you, the movie go on good, and more of the people them come out and come support it, because the lifestyle of about Jamaica, just come out, come support it, man, because it's a good movie, and all the Pamaral and them today. Check it. Come chat with me. Dan IJ says so.
We're there at the Bombay Theater, you know, at the screening, at the Made in New York, you know, and it was a blast, you know, turnout, well, you know, it's happening, the people them love the film and thing, you know, very entertaining.
And see I'm out to you, honey, to be by your side. Your dreams are my dreams, and your pain, my pain. We built a love of a lifetime. My lover, you're also my friend, and this is my God. I bury my friend.
Hi, what's up? I'm Luna Pearl. I was Mr. Big Honey Dip #2, I guess. And you know, it was a pleasure being able to be here for the Made in New York premiere. It was a great movie. The actors did a wonderful job. Director Papa Lova did a great job.
The movie was wonderful. I get to see all the members, all the celebrities. Big up Frankie Paul, rest in peace. I enjoyed it. Jamaica, the world, the Caribbean. This is the movie. You have to see this one. You have to support this one. Support our independent filmmaker, Papa Lova. You don't know.
Just in stage name that. I know here. You know the thing, man. It takes time. Besides, if him boss or not, I still love him.
Big up Made in New York. Yeah, real deal. Next chapter, right behind. Support CEEN TV. CM Way. Dream. Team, make it work.
First and foremost, big up Come Chat with TV. Second of all, I gotta give it up to Papa Lova. He's a hard-working person behind the scene with all the work. Sometimes we have nothing in the stomach, but we get it going. Big up to all the cast members who support us and the fans and people who come out to see us. Big up yourself to Ziggy, right? So, Papa Lova, much love.
Made in where? New York. I don't know. If you know a loose kind of know it's a Grenada people. It's a kind of sick job. And the movie was kind of sick. Bad movie. Yeah man, I would say. Wicked movie.
We play the Babylon now. Me at the Babylon now. Yeah man, I may shoot myself and I'm like, you know man. It's me a limp, you know man. I may take away money, you know man. I may say one man. Kadar, the briefcase of money. Money up to the world.
The movie was beautiful. I enjoyed every moment of it. And I see myself in there. I'm a superstar. Whoop, whoop.
Yeah man, me name Fox from the movie Made in New York. I'm Mr. Crimin from Illegal Activity.
All the people who come and enjoy it, I love it to see it. Yeah man, definitely, that's what I do it man.
I was Mr. Big's trophy girl, and I thought the movie was great. A lot of laughs and a lot of drama and suspense. It was wonderful.
One day man have to find one. Man I search out like a blind man. One day I go book me top and a diamond. If me used to sleep I go young, me I go buy a diamond. One day
hey, DJ Chromosome. That one you know want to play me some mix tune, you know. I mean when DJ Chromosome, you have to pay me.
How are you?
I mean me, no matter me. The business, Mr. Biggs tune for play.
Well, anything Mr. Biggs wants to play for yourself.
Mr. Biggs the play. No, DJ, hey, get this. Yo,
I was made in New York. I cannot break in New York. I will not be afraid in New York.
because of Made in New York.
It was beautiful. I loved the action. I loved the romance. I loved, everything about it. It was a great movie, and everyone should come out and, come out and see it. It's worth it,
Yes, I'm Acid, Made in New York. I played the friend to Rapunzel. I took revenge for her killing. Yeah, and the movie was great. It was awesome. This is my first time acting.
Made in New York, trust me. Even though I'm one of the actors in the movie, I was full of surprise. It's like adventure upon adventure. I'm talking about a million stories being told in one. And trust me, this talented guy, talk to them.
Nah, tell a lie. Well on there. Before me go no further, yo, Ziggie Bless, I want to big you up. I want to say thank you very much. Yeah? From the start, you always did and support me from before trailer make till after trailer make until promotion time and everything. So first of all, I want to say thank you for that. You know me, I say, and respect for that. And second of all, I want to say thank you to the whole of the people them. Yo, me feel nice. Yo, me feel proud of myself. You know, say the whole of the people them come and support me. And you know me, I say, and them have a joy and them enjoy the movie. It's a Hungry Man film production. So remember, say we still hungry. So when time we make the money, you're gonna see better production and better stuff and more unity and more people and just more everything. So yeah, man, come chat with me all the time and watch it on Sunday. Cause yo, we have to big up the people that we're big way up. See?
At the after party we say, so keep it like right as so. Come chat with me, man. Boom.
Go pop up in our mesquite, and every man run back to my machine. But you all love me and you don't want them. Strange things are happening. Before me leave, I got me up to say one prayer. Repent for my heart and soul. Before me leave, I got me talk to my father. No more brothers and sisters get locked up and gone to jail. They look like I'm rolling, them a bleach. And them a bleach out, them skin, them a bleach. All of that, woman, me and you, cause you know bleach out, them skin. Come chat with me.